Hello everyone, you know what time it is. I know you got your tennis shoes on. I have my tennis shoes on. It is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. You know I'm back to teach you another line dance. The name of the dance is Just Let It Happen. So instructors, this dance has 3 parts to it and 1 change. It's a 2-wall dance. And this is beginners friendly. I don't mean the ones that just came in your class. I'm talking about the one that's been coming to your class for a minute. The beginners can do this, although it's 3 parts, okay? This is intermediate beginner to intermediate. So you can teach your beginners, your intermediate beginners, this line dance, okay? So if you're located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Finally, I want to give a shout out to everyone that likes my page, share my page, subscribe, and also leaves a comment. Thank you guys, I appreciate you. Thank you for your words of encouragement, I appreciate you. So guys, let's get to it. All right, so let's start. It doesn't matter what wall we start on. We can stand here, you can stand here. So it's going to be a 2-wall dance. So when we start all over again, we'll be at this wall, okay? So we have 3 rotations. So each rotation we're going to do the same steps. Part 1, part 2, part 3. On the 3rd rotation, we're going to finish up part 2. We're not going to do part 3, and we're going to go back to part 1 because the song is ending. Okay, the song starts with the chorus, okay? Here's the part 1. Part 1 starts with a rock, recover, and a bounce. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Left, rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Side tap on the right, side tap on the left. Paddle forward with your right shoulder coming forward. Half turn, 4 taps. That's part 1. Okay? So you do a rock, recover on the right, and bounce, bounce, rock, recover on the left, and bounce, bounce. Side taps on the right, on the left, paddle forward, half turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's part 1. And then when you get to this wall, you're going to repeat the same thing. Rock, recover with a bounce. Rock, recover on the left with a bounce. Side tap on the right and the left. Out and in, and paddle around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. That's it. That's part 1. So notice when she does the rock, recover, instead of a triple step, she's just bouncing. Okay? So let's put it together. Front and back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Bounce. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2. Bounce. 3, 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. You paddle around, okay, with that weight on the left. That's it. That's part 1. Let's move on. Part 2. You're going to do side taps. You're going to tap out. Right, left, and slide up on the right. Right, left, right, tap left, and roll back 2 times. And so this part here, part 2, what you do on the right, you're going to do on the left. So we tap out, right, left, come up on your right, tap left, roll back on your left 2 times, then step on your right, then repeat it on the left. Left, right, slide up on the left, and roll back 2 times. And tap on the left, okay? So what did we do? We tap out right, we tap out left, and we slide up right. Tap on the left, roll back on the left 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and step on 4. Because we're going to repeat this on the left. Same process. Tap out. We tapped out right, left. Now we're going to tap out left, right. Left, right, then slide up left. Tap right, roll back 2 times. 1, 2, and 3. Tap 4. Okay? Now, let's add on. So, my heel is up. So I'm going to do a fake. Left, right, swirl, tap. 1, 2, turn 3, tap 4. Okay, so I faked. My heel is up, left, right, swirl, right shoulder forward, tap, roll back right, roll back left, and then fake. Right, I'm sorry, let's not, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, fake, left, right, swirl, tap, roll, roll, and. Right, left, swirl, tap, roll back left, roll back right, and tap on that left. Okay, so I'm going to put that together. So just, that is part 2. Okay, so here we fake. Left, right, right shoulder come forward, swirl. My right heel is up, I tap and roll back, and right, left, swirl forward with that left shoulder coming forward, tap on the left, roll back right, then tap left. So here, this part here, what I do on my left, I do on my right. So I fake left, right, then I come forward with my right, half turn, tap on my right, roll back left. And remember, I fake left, right. So now I'm gonna fake right, left. Right, left, and my left shoulder come forward, left, and I tap on the left, then come back left, tap, come back right, and tap. Okay, now let's put it together. So part 2 is tapping out to the side, and then moving up. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, slide, tap, roll back right, tap out left. Left, right, left, tap, roll back left. Fake, right, left, swirl. Come, left, right, fake. I'm sorry. I was supposed to fake. Let me see what I did. Let's go back to part 2. 1, 2, slide 3, 4, roll 5, 6, roll back on the left twice. Here we go. Right, left, right. Tap, roll left, and left, right, left. Tap, roll right, and left, right, swirl, and back left, and right, left, swirl, back left, back right, and. So, let me tell you something. So when you tap it out on the side and slide up, so you go right, left, up, right, tap, roll back left, okay? Roll back left, 2 times. Then you go left, right, up, left, right, roll back right, fake, left, right, swirl, roll back right, then roll back left. Okay, then you fake right, left, swirl, roll back left, roll back right. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, so part 2, when you roll back, when you tap out to the side, right, left, up, right, left, go left 2 times, roll back left 2 times, then go left, right, up, left, right, roll back to the right 2 times. You fake left, right, swirl, you roll back right, you roll back left, fake, right, left, swirl, you roll back left, you roll back right. Okay, so that's the difference. Make sure you do that. Those roll backs are different. Okay, when you tap it up right, left, you roll back to the left, you roll back to the left twice. Okay, when we do the fake, you roll back on your right, you roll back on the left. Okay, so that's to get you to the other side. Okay, so now let's put it all together. Part 1 is your rock recover with the bounce on the right and left, side tap, and then paddle with the right shoulder coming forward, half turn, 4 paddles. You rock recover with the bounce, you rock recover with the bounce, side tap, tap on the right and the left. Paddle around with the right shoulder coming forward. Tap it out, right, left, up, right. Tap, roll back, left 2 times. Step, tap out, left, right, slide up, left, tap, right, roll back to the right 2 times. Fake, left, right, swirl, and back right, and back left. Fake, right, left, swirl, and back left, back right, tap. That's where we're going. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and rock, recover, bounce, bounce, rock, recover, side tap, paddle round, half turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, recover, with a bounce on the right and the left, side tap on the right and the left, paddle forward, right shoulder coming forward, tap it out, right, left, slide right, roll back to the left, and step, tap out left, right, slide left, roll back to the right, fake, left, right, swirl, shoulder come forward, roll back right, then roll back left, fake, right, left shoulder come forward, roll back left, roll back right, and last part, kickball change. Kickball change on the right. So I want you to turn your body. We kick into this wall. So you tap here. Kickball change 2 times on the left. Kickball change, turn, and then kickball change, kick, tap out. So that's your transition. Because it's time, this is part 3, so it's time to get to our new wall. So kick on the left, kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, 7, out, 8. Sail left, sail right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock easy. 5, 6, coaster, 7 and 8. Done. That's the dance. I just gave you all the parts. Now we're at our wall here. I'm going to do it at this wall too. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do part 1, part 2, and part 3. So when I turn, do a kickball chain on the left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. See how I turned my body? 5, then 6, 7, out, 8. Tap out on the left, sail right, rock easy. Turn back on the left, half turn with a coaster step. Left coaster step. Left, right, left. Then it's time to start over again. You're at your wall. What we do, a rock, recover on the right. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Left, rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Side tap, out and in, right shoulder, paddle forward for 4, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. On the left, rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Side tap. The right shoulder come forward. Now kick it out right, left. We're bringing it up. Right, right, tap left, roll back left 2 times. Out, left, right, slide left, tap right, roll back 2 times to the right. Fake on your left, right, swirl. That shoulder come forward, roll back right, then roll back left. Fake, right, left, swirl. Roll back 2 times on the left and the right. Tap, kickball change, kick and turn, kickball change, kick, tap out. Sail left, sail right, rock easy with a coaster step. Now we're back at this wall. Okay? So far, we've done 2 rotations, the front and the back wall, part 1, 2, and 3. So the line dance is 2 walls. We visit 2 walls. It's 3 rotations. We've done 2 rotations with 1 change. So the change is going to come at this wall, our 3rd rotation. Where is it? Let's keep on continuing. I'm going to show you where that change is. So we did a rock recover with a coaster step. We came back to this wall, 3rd rotation. Okay? We start at the top. Here come that chorus again. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. We starting over again. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Power around with that shoulder coming forward. Rock, recover again. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. And out and in. Tap around. Yes. Part 2. Tap it out. Right, right, tap left. Roll back to the left. Roll back to the left. Step right, tap left, right, slide left, tap right, roll back right, fake, left, right, swirl, tap right, roll back left, fake, right, left, swirl, tap left, back left, and rock, recover. Then you change. Then you change again. Then you change right there. Why? Because when you're doing that part here, this should go right back into the chorus, which is part 1. So what we do is we fade. Right, tap, left, rock, recover. Right, bounce, bounce. Left, bounce, bounce. Side tap, and you do that for the rest of the dance. This part right here, this is the chorus. The song, most songs are going to end with your chorus. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Side tap. Hey, you should be making it funky right here. Hey. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. Rock, recover. Side tap. Hey. Okay? So on the third time you start that dance, that's where your change is, okay? Because the chorus comes in. So you got to be ready to do that rock, recover. So when we did this fake, right, tap, left, rock, recover. Rock forward with a bounce, bounce. Rock forward with a bounce, bounce. Here's right out, left out, and that's the dance. That's the dance. 2 wall dance, 3 parts, 1 change. What you mean 1 change? That means just this change of the sequence of the rotation. Part 1 and 2, we did the rotation without changing. 1, 2, and 3. We did part 1, 2, and 3 at both walls. This third wall here, coming back here, we did part 1, the chorus. We did part 2. Then when we got to part 2, in fact, we didn't even get to part 3, okay? With the fade. Left, right, swirl, back, right, back, left, and right, left, swirl, and left, rock, recover on that right. Then go back to part 1. Rock, recover, bounce, bounce. See, that's a change in your rotation, okay? So, instructors, this is perfect for your high beginners, your intermediate beginners, those individuals that's been coming for a minute. Don't stick them to just the 32 counts. They can do 2 and 3 different parts. Those steps there, they do in the 32 counts anyway. There's nothing fancy about this line dance. The music, you groove into the music, the steps are on point, okay? So challenge your intermediate beginners to do this line dance. They can do it. And you'd probably be surprised, some of your regular beginners too. Not your novice, not the ones that just started coming to your class, but those that haven't been coming to your class that long, I bet you they can do this line dance. So please challenge your class. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know how you think. So not only that, guys, this challenge is not only just for your students, but also for some of the instructors. Some of the instructors are afraid to push themselves, to challenge yourself. I'm always challenging myself, okay? Yeah, you're not used to teaching, 2 or 3 parts, but you can do it. If you can teach, if you've taught 20, 30, 50 line dances, that's different parts. It's just in one song. Instructors, you can do it, okay? So, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Just let it happen. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you next time. And as a friendly reminder, if you want to dance together, and girl, I'm going to be grooving to this dance here, I'll pin the demo at the end of this instructional. Thank you.